Twitter announces on Thursday that it's filed for an initial public offering. I'm here with Jim Cramer. Jim, like a lot of people, I immediately thought of Facebook when I heard the news. So how can what happened after Facebook's IPO not happen to Twitter?
Well, NASDAQ has to, maybe NASDAQ's gotten better. I don't know, after the flash freeze, I don't think so. Morgan Stanley did its best. Remember what happened with Facebook the last couple weeks of maybe last month, they didn't have good numbers. So you suddenly had a situation where the big boys found out they didn't have really good numbers. It was okay, it's legal. It's not the way I like it, but that doesn't mean it's illegal because they didn't have a solution for mobile. So a year later, they did have a solution for mobile, and that's why the stock took off. Twitter has a solution for mobile. I don't expect that Twitter is going to be in a situation where they're going to have a sudden deceleration, which is really what happened to Facebook. So I think that the brokers have to be able to make it so that the Twitter people who use it make some money, and people who buy it make some money, and Twitter makes some money. There's always a happy medium. It's just that usually the brokers don't want to make it work. It's like they want to either help the people who buy it, or they want to help the company. I hope the brokers think bigger.
Right. Well, Twitter filed under the Jobs Act, of course, which means it can file confidentially, and companies who do this have to have under $1 billion in revenue.
Right.
So everyone's guessing what Twitter's worth.
What a stupid act this was. I mean, this is just another stupid thing. You get around the rules. I mean, we really need the SEC able to vet things. We need them to vet things because there's a lot of chicanery. I think Twitter's an honest company, but this is just another stupid thing that Congress did. It doesn't really help things. And I do believe that Twitter's going to be worth between 10 and 20 billion. If it wasn't that, then someone would have already scooped it up.
Okay, so advice to investors now: should they hold off on rushing to buy after the IPO? Will there be better prices?
There's always a better chance. I mean, if there's the IPO itself, if you can get on a deal, has been great for every social media company in terms of them being able to flip. If you bought it if you bought any social media company in the open market after the deals come, you were down within a year. Okay, pretty simple.
All right, thanks so much. That's Jim Cramer. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.